you can start with, $500,000, $600,000. And how wholesale works is a step up from arbitrage. So instead of going to a retail store, you actually are buying either directly from the brand or from a wholesaler that sells the brand. And again, you are competing for the buy box in a lot of cases. And you are selling your product on an existing listing, again, in most cases. Now, some people I know do this. They find brands, a great way to do it is to find a brand that's not in your country, or that's from your country that's not being sold in another country. So for example, I can find a brand that's selling here in Australia, but it's not selling on Amazon in the US or the UK. And I can say, right, let me buy it from you and I'll ship it over there. Or I know somebody who's got a deal with a brand that's selling really well in the US, but they can't be bothered setting up a UK account. So he said, look, let me sell it for you in the UK. So there's ways to do that. And in those sorts of cases, they're actually not competing for the buy box because they've got exclusive rights. So, once you've got yourself a little bit established and know what you're doing, you can do those sort of exclusive rights deals, because especially the really big brands, they don't really care about, faffing around with Amazon PPC and listings and things. They're happy to sell to you at wholesale and let you worry about it. Okay.
Definitely. So is this different from Amazon Business?
Yes, it's different. Yeah. Well, Amazon Business is basically where businesses buy on Amazon and they get special, and you do give special rates for as private label sellers. So this is very different. No, this is wholesale. So I, as an Amazon seller, on my account sell other brands that I buy from those brands. Okay. And I can do the deal. So the brand can ship directly to Amazon on my behalf. Obviously, the product does have to be labeled with my, FNSQ. And in a lot of cases, generally, if I'm a new seller and I'm still trying to figure this out, I'm going to be finding brands that perhaps sell to a lot of different retailers, and I'll be competing for the buy box. As I get more experienced and know what I'm doing and know how to find brands that perhaps don't have a lot of sellers, and that I'm going to try and find an exclusive deal that I'm the only, retailer or Amazon representative for that brand. So that's wholesale. Again, you can start that with a relatively small amount of money. You don't have to worry about packaging design. You don't have to worry about shipping from China generally, because you're going to be buying from the warehouse, and of the company that you're buying from.
Got it. That does seem easier than Amazon Business, I would say. Yeah.
Well, it's different. Like all of them, these things, it's just a different way to skin a cat. The margins on wholesale are a little bit less, but again, you're also spending less on all sorts of other things. So
true. Got it. Yeah. Thank you.
Hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerUp's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.